Hey there. Facing an OfferUp error 404, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into the realm of OfferUp glitches and solving the infamous OfferUp error 404 issue. This error can be a significant disruption for anyone who relies on OfferUp for their buying or selling needs. Thankfully, there are multiple ways to tackle this problem and ensure a seamless experience on the platform. In this guide, we'll walk you through step-by-step solutions to fix the OfferUp error 404 so you can get back to shop or selling without hassle. Step 1. Refresh and restart. The first solution is often the simplest. Refresh and restart. If you're experiencing the OfferUp error 404, start by refreshing your web page or restarting your app. Simply close the OfferUp app or exit the browser tab, then reopen it to see if the problem persists. In many cases, this simple action can clear minor glitches and restore normal functionality. Step 2. Check your internet connection. OfferUp error 404 can also be triggered by a poor or unstable internet connection. Ensure your device is connected to a reliable network. If you're using Wi-Fi, try rebooting your router or switching to a different network. For mobile connections, toggling airplane mode on and off can sometimes resolve connectivity issues. Once your internet connection is stable, try accessing OfferUp again to see if the error has been restored. Step 3. Clear cache and cookies. Sometimes cache data or cookies can cause conflicts that lead to error 404. Clearing these from your browser or app can help. For browsers, go to your settings and find the options for clearing browsing data. Make sure to select cache and cookies, then clear them. For mobile apps, navigate to your iPhone settings to find the OfferUp app and clear its cache. After doing this, reopen OfferUp to check if the problem is fixed. Step 4. Update the OfferUp app. An outdated version of the OfferUp app might be causing compatibility issues resulting in error 404. Make sure your app is up to date by checking for updates in your app store. If an update is available, download and install it. Sometimes this can resolve bugs and improve app performance. Reopen OfferUp to see if this resolves the error. Step 5. Check OfferUp server status. If the OfferUp error 404 persists, the problem might not be on your end. Check if there's a service outage or maintenance work by visiting OfferUp's official status page or social media channel. If server issues are reported, you'll need to wait for OfferUp's team to rectify the situation. Once the servers are back online, try accessing the platform again. Dealing with the OfferUp error 404 can be frustrating, but with these steps, you're well equipped to tackle any issues. Whether it's refreshing your connection, clearing cache, or updating your app, you now have a comprehensive approach to fixing this error. Remember, also check OfferUp server status to ensure the issue isn't with their end. With these solutions, you should be able to navigate OfferUp without a hitch. Keep this guide handy, quick reference, and enjoy a seamless buying and selling experience.